Hello students. So here in this video we are going to learn more about multiplication. Okay students. So in my previous videos, almost in every videos I told you to remember multiplication table, as it is very important, because if you don't remember those tables then it will be very hard for you to solve any kind of multiplication related problems. So in the earlier video I told you about multiplying by 2 and 3 digit numbers, that is 10 and other hundreds or other tens, and also with 100. So when there is 0 in ones place or tens place, then it is little bit easy for us to calculate. So though we are doing 3 digit number or 2 digit number, then also we can we can do in like 1 or 2 step, right students? So today we are going to learn multiplying by 2 digit numbers, but here the 2 digit number, whatever the number you will get, so that one will be some other number other than 0. Okay, so that one I will show you. Then if there is another number, suppose we are multiplying by 2 digit number, so the numbers you will get, so there, if there is no 0, then how you have to do. Okay, so first of all I'll show you multiplying without regrouping, and I'll show next with regrouping. So let's start this one. So as you can see, I've taken one example here. So 43 into 21. So here you can see there is no 0 in any of this number, right students? Then how we have to do? Again similar process, but here we cannot skip any step. We have to write each and every number whatever we are getting after multiplication. Okay students, so let's start 43 into 21 as it is I have written from the question. Now you have to solve. So according to the rule, we have to start from ones place, then we have to multiply it with here means ones place, and then we have to multiply with tens place, and in the next step we have to start from tens place, and then we have to multiply again ones place and tens place. So let's see. First of all, let's start from here. So 1 3 ja 3, 1 4 ja 4. Okay, so first step is complete. Now we have to go to second step. As ones place is done, so we'll write 0 here and we will start from tens place, right students? Because now we are going to multiply with tens place with 2. So here you can see 2 3. Okay, so 2 3 ja 6 and 2 4 ja 8. Okay students, so here we have to do what? Sum. So 3 plus 0 will be 3, 4 plus 6 will be 10, carry 1, and 8 plus 1 will be 9. Okay, so in this way you have to follow each and every step, and definitely you will get your answer. Okay, so yes, I think now it's visible. So you can see here we get our answer, that 903. Okay, after following this step we have to do sum. Okay, so generally students make this type of mistake, which I will show you. So you can see here I have written like common mistake. Okay, so suppose it is given, okay, this is the question, so you have written, okay, so now the first step we have to start from here. So 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4, again 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. Then they used to do like sum. So 8 4 12, carry 1. So 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. Okay, so the answer is 72. So students, is it correct? No, it's wrong. Why wrong? Because here we are starting from tens place. We have to write from tens place, not in ones place, right students? So this is the correct one, where we have to write as it is from the question, and then we have to follow 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4. Then this first step is completed. Now we have to start from what? Tens place. So here ones place we have to put 0, and we have to start from tens place. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. Okay, so this one will be written in hundreds place. So here have to do the sum. So 8 plus 0 8, 4 plus 4 8, and 2 will be 2. So this is the correct one. Now I will show you multiplying with regrouping. Okay, so that means suppose here you can see these are large numbers. So when we are multiplying with large numbers, then we need to do regrouping. So the first step, as you all know, the first step is we have to start from what? Ones place. So multiply by ones. So that means we are multiplying 73 with 8. So that one I have written here. So 8 3 ja 24. Okay, so 4 I have written, and 2 is regrouped here. 2 is carried here. So again 8 7 ja 56, and plus 2 will be 58. So our ones place is done. Now we have to go to what? Step 2. That one is multiplying by tens. Okay, so you have to start from tens place. So this one is already we get this one, right? So no need to do here, you can write as it is. Then we will start from tens place. So ones place will be 0. So here you can see, now we will multiply 73 with 40. Okay, not 4, that means 40. Here we have already done this ones place, so now it become 4 and 0, so 40. So that's why I'm putting 0 here. Okay students, so now you can start from here. 4 3 ja 12. So now carry is 1. So you can see I have written 1 here, and 4 7 ja 28, and plus 1 will be 29. And after that you have to do the sum. So 4 plus 0 will be 4, 8 plus 2 will be 10, carry 1, 9 plus 5 will be 14, plus 1 15, carry 1, 2 plus 1 will be 3. So this is the correct answer. So students, you may have one doubt that here also we are doing regrouping and we are writing the carry here, and again in the second step also we are writing here, right? So how can you write both of this carry at a time? So that one I'll show you in the exercise. Before that, I will tell you a very interesting shortcut method. Okay, so use a shortcut to multiply by 11. So any number, if you're multiplying by 11, then you have a shortcut which you can apply and you can get your answer very easily. So here you see, you have to see the steps very carefully, then only you can do it properly. Okay students, so here you can see I have taken one example, 68 into 11. Okay, so here what you have to do, like here we are multiplying with 2-digit numbers. Okay, both are 2-digit numbers, so there is a possibility that we will get 3-digit numbers as our product, or maybe 4-digit number, right students? So here I'm considering that we will get 3-digit number. Okay, so now what you have to do, you just have to see the ones place of the other number 11 other than 11. Okay, you have to see the other number which is other than 11. So here it is 68, so in ones place 8 is there, so you have to write 8 in ones place. Okay, so in bracket I have written that 8 from 68 in the ones place. Okay, so in ones place we are writing 8 from here, from 68. Okay, in the second step what you have to do, you have to do the sum of the two numbers. Okay, so here you can see 6 and 8, so you have to plus them. 6 plus 8 equals to 14. So from 14 we'll write 4 in the tens place. So you can see I have written 4 in the tens place, and as we're writing 4 here, so we have carry as our 1, right students? So in the third step what you have to do, so in the third step 6 from 68 in the 100 place. So in the 100 place we have to write 6, but as we have 1 as our carry, so we have to plus it with 6. So 6 plus 1 will be 7. So we have to write 7 in hundreds place. So we can write the answer as 748. Okay, let's see some more examples. So here you can see the question will be like this: use shortcut to find this. So here you can see we have to find the product of 48 into 11. Okay, so here also same process we have to write. So here I'm not writing the steps, so let's see how we can do. So here ones place is 8, so I have to write ones place, okay, 8, then we have to plus it. Okay, so 4 plus 8 if we do, we'll get 12. So we have to write 2 and 1 will be carried. So 4, and we have to do plus 1 as we have carried that. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. Okay, so similarly you can do a lot of problems. I'll show you quickly here how we can write it. So here you can see the second one is given 39 into 11. So here in the ones place it is how much? 9. Then 3 plus 9 if we do, we'll get 12. So 2 and carry 1, and here 3 is there, 3 plus 1 will be 4. Similarly, 3 number question you can see 25 into 11. So here in ones place 5 is there. Okay, 5 plus 2 if we do, what we'll get? We'll get 7. So 7, as there is no carry, so 2 will be remain as it is. Okay, next we have 63 into 11. Okay, so here you can see we have to write the ones place as 3, then 3 plus 6 is 9, and as there is no carry, so 6 will remain as it is. And similarly in the 5 number question, 11 into 54. Okay, so here other than 11 you have to see, so you have to see here. So 4 is there, so I have to write 4 here, then 5 plus 4 will be 9, and as there is no carry, so 5 will remain as it is, and your answer will be 594. So in this way you have to do this. Now I will show you some questions from your exercise. Exercise 4.6, question number 1 is given, multiply without regrouping. So that means here no need to do regrouping. So here you can see we have written, I am solving for your B number 13 into 21. So 1 3 ja 3 and 1 1 ja 1. So 1's place is done, so I have to put 0 and we have to start from 10's place. 3 2 ja 6 and 2 1 ja 2. Then we have to do sum. 3, 6 plus 1 will be 7 and 2. Okay, so the answer is 273. Next question number 2, multiply by regrouping. So here you can see we have to do regrouping. So here you can see I am solving for your C number and F number. So let's first of all we'll do C number. So 38 into 45. Okay, so we have to start from 5. So 5 8 ja 40. So have to write 0 and 4 is carried here. So 5 3 ja 15 and 15 plus 4 will be 19. So I have to write 19 here. Okay. Now we have to start from where? 10's place. So 1's place will remain 0. Then 4 8 ja 32, right students? So 2 will be here and 3 is carried. So now you see what you have to do. As we are not writing the steps, first step and second step, we are following the steps. So what you have to do, as this one is already done, so you have to cut this and you have to write your new carry. So that is how much? 3. So you have to write 3 here. So now you have to, whatever the number you will get, you have to plus with 3. Okay. So 4 3 ja 12 and 12 plus 3 will be 15. So I have to write 15 here, like this way. Okay. Now you have to do sum. So 9 plus 2 will be 11, carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7, and here 1. So this is your answer. Okay. Similarly, let's see how to do F number. So here also you have to start from 8. So 8 5 ja 40, again carry 4, then 7 8 ja 56 and 56 plus 4 is 60. So I have to write 60 here. Okay students, now we have to do this one. So 10's place you have to start from. So 1's place will be 0. So 5 1 ja 5 and 7 1 ja 7. And students, here there is no carry here. So this one you can remain as it is, means no need to remove that or cut that, because now we don't have any carry, right students? So that is why you can do just the addition here. So 0 here 5 and 6 plus 7 will be 13. So I have to write like this. Okay, so this is your final answer. Next question number 3 is given that mix practice, regroup if necessary. So here there is a mixed problem, means you may have to regroup or may not. So let's see, I'm solving for A number. So 32 into 21 is given. So I have to write like this way and I have to start the step. So 1 2 ja 2 and 1 3 ja 3. Then 1's place is done. So I have to put 0. Now 2 2 ja 4 and 3 2 ja is 6. So I have to do the sum. So here 2, 4 plus 3 will be 7 and here 6. So yeah, that is your answer. One more I'm showing from G number. So that is 19 into 43. So 19 into 43 I've written. So we have to start from here. So 9 3 ja 27, right? So 7 and 2 is carried here. So 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 will be 5, right students? Then we have to do the next step. So here it will be 0. Then 4 9 ja 36. So 6 will be here and 3 is carried. So you have to cut here this one and have to write 3. So 4 1 ja 4 and plus 3 will be 7. So I have to write this and we have to do the sum. So yes, this is your answer. So in this way you do the rest of the problems. Now in question number 4, A number is given that 72 people can sit in one train compartment. How many people are there on the train with 15 such compartments? Okay, so you just have to do simple, you have to just write the simple sentences and you have to do, suppose here it is given that in one compartment there are 72 people. So you have to find for 15 such compartments, right students? So you can see if you in one compartment 72 means people are there. So obviously in 2 there will be more, 3 4 5 like this way, and you have to search search for what? You have to find for 15 such compartments. So if you do addition, then it will be very much lengthy. So that's why we will choose what? Rather than addition, we'll choose multiplication. Then it will be very easy for us to calculate, and we by multiplying we can find it out. So as you can see, I have written people can sit in one compartment, that is given as 75. So people can sit on 15 compartments. So we have to multiply the 75 people with 15 compartments. So if we do so, we'll get this one as our answer. So at last you have to write the statement. There are 1125 people on a train with 15 compartments. This is the last problem from your exercise. So B number. An article in a magazine has 26 words on a line. If the article has 58 lines, how many words are there in the article? Okay, so it is given that in the article there are 26 words in a line. Okay, suppose you can see this one is a line, so there are 26 words are there. Okay, so such lines are there. How many lines? 58 lines. So this is one line, then like this way 58 lines are there. So you have to count every words. That means in one article, if 58 lines are there, so how many words are there in total? Okay, students, so this is the question. So what you have to do, you just write the simple sentences, and as you know, we have to find what more for more numbers, so definitely we will choose multiplication. So on one line it is given that how many words? 26 words, right students? We have to find for 58 lines, right students? So here you can see I have written 26 into 58. That means we have to multiply. So here we have to multiply, and after that we'll get 1508. That means 1508. So therefore there are 508 words. Okay, students. So just write it in your copy properly, and later on we will discuss more about multiplication and we'll solve further exercises. So thank you so much.